Dude, I've never seen anything like this before. Wait. Dude.
Door is like slow.
What type of fixtures are these?
No idea. Oh my god, why is it not? It usually closes when you press the button. There we go.
That's so cool. Wow.
Yeah. Oop.
Oh, one. Yeah. You got it.
Jeez.
Have a good one.
They close it. I think there's a. Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay.
That's awesome. Watson automatic elevator. That's actually sick.
Yeah, I know, right?
Very, very smart.
Sorry. This cab is definitely replaced.
Alright, you want to get out?
Yeah. This is getting boring after we find.
Yeah.
Want to set it up?
Yeah, sure. Or wait, actually, alright, yeah, that'll work. That's
Actually,
fine.
then you can press the button. I want to show you. Actually, you can go through it.
Alright. Wait, is this relay controlled?
Yeah, definitely.
Is the machine room in the gym? Alright.
There's a basement. It's probably in the basement.
That's so cool.